What's going on, everybody? Today we have my 2023 KTM 125 XC, and I just ordered a brand new FMF Fatty pipe for it. I've already got this turbine core 2.1 on it, so I put this on there because it's spark arrested, and then the FMF I found on sale, so I figured why not. So we have the FMF right here, came out of this other packaging, and right into this. So here we are. This thing looks pretty good. These welds a little bit but hey, I guess it's part of the Fatty look. I do really like the look of this Factory Fatty, the way it's got all the welds and it's all bare. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put this thing on. All right, so just got a T-handle and a spring puller. This is really all the tools you'll need. I mean, you can use a wrench or whatever, but right here, we're gonna go ahead and pull these springs off on this stock pipe. You can use, I mean, really any tool that you can get these springs off with, but I prefer this just spring tooler. It's like a $10 little item that's really nice if you own a two-stroke, so helps to get these pipes on and off. So we're gonna go ahead and take these few bolts off. You got your mounting bolt here as well as here, and then it just pulls off. Takes a little bit of wiggling. I'll show you that just in a second. So got my T-handle, 10 mil. Go ahead and take these guys off. Shouldn't be on there too tight. I've already taken this pipe off once, so just go ahead and take these guys out. This pipe won't just fall off, so don't be concerned with that. It is it's in the cylinder in that exhaust flange pretty decent, so it won't just fall out. So there's one, and then we're gonna knock this other one out. There we go. Alrighty, so got our two bolts out, and we've also got the springs off of this guy, and then this guy should just come right out. It's gonna be tight in that cylinder, so you're gonna have to wobble it a little bit to get it loose. Right in this exhaust flange right here, it's gonna be tight, so a little bit of shaking and it'll come out. Try not to force it out, but just gradual shaking, and here it comes right out. Almost. There we go. Comes right off. It's a little bit dirty. I was riding a little bit with this guy on and just gave it a real quick wash, but yeah, there we go. And then you're gonna need to take these rubber pieces off of these little mounts on this pipe, and then put them on that FMF. So we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. So I just got my cardboard so that I can set this pipe down without scratching it. You're also gonna wanna watch out for these open points, and watch out for oil. You're gonna get oil on yourself. So, alrighty, so we got one side off, just like this little metal piece, and then we got to get this one off of the other side. You got that one, and then this rubber piece will just pull right out. You might have to work it out a little bit, but shouldn't be too challenging to get out. So there we go, that's one. And then we got to get this other one off. And there you go. That is number 2. And I think I'm going to go try and wash this pipe up a little bit, get some of this oil off of here, get cleaned up and ready to sit, I guess, because we're not going to be using this guy anymore. Alrighty, so now we got these pipes side by side. Just gave this one a quick little cleaning, and yeah, they got a completely different look to them. This one is more like a just bare bones pipe, and this guy is nice and chrome. Yeah, before you put this on, of course you're gonna want to put some O-rings in here if your pipe doesn't come with them. This one, it did come with them, so I'm gonna leave these O-rings on this pipe if I ever just want to quick put that baby on. Alrighty, so we've got our pipe here, and we got to put these rubber mounts into the pipe. Alrighty, so there we go. And then you're gonna take these metal pieces, pop them back in. Just gonna go ahead and take the silencer off. It'll just be a little bit easier to get that pipe on, get the correct fit for it. Yep, there we go. So this guy's off. Just put it straight on. Trying to get this guy set into the cylinder nice. All right, that's pretty good fit. And then we're just gonna get these bolts started. Looks like we're threaded in on both of these guys. So next I'm just gonna put the silencer on before we get this FMF all tightened up. That way we can get this guy just fitted. That way it's not a pain to get this guy back on. So you're just gonna take this rubber boot and stick this silencer back on. And then go ahead and thread these guys back in. What we haven't done yet. And then we haven't done these springs yet, and these are very important. If you don't get these springs back on, the pipe might just shimmy out a little bit, and it won't create good back pressure, which is back pressure is vital for these 2 strokes to run well. So, and now we can go ahead and tighten everything down. So these 2 are tight, and then I'm gonna go ahead and snug down this silencer all the way. That's pretty good, as well as that. So there we are. We are complete. With this non-chrome pipe, you can kind of expect right down here, right where it comes out of the cylinder, all your exhaust gases, it might even blue. So if you get this bike hot, it's definitely gonna change colors. Just this stainless steel, I think it is, will change color. So as you can tell by these welds, it's changed colors, and it's got those pretty cool colors. Unfortunately, it is snowing outside, so it's a little bit cold out here, but I'm still excited nonetheless to get this Factory Fatty, get the sound going. So I did try and take a little video of just this turbine core 2.1 with that stock expansion chamber, and took a little video of that. I got that on my phone, so audio might just be a little bit different, but should give us a decent comparison of the two. It looks pretty sick. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. If you got any questions, go ahead and leave them down below, and I'll try and get back to you guys. That's the install and the sound test of the 2023 KTM 125 XC with the Factory Fatty, as well as the turbine core 2.1. Thanks a lot, guys. Go ahead and subscribe and leave a like. See you guys in the next video.